Hello, so for this video, I'm showing this HR analytics report that I made. It's a data camp project I did when I was going through their course for Power BI, and it's about Atlas Labs, this fictional company. So the first page is an overview, and it's kind of like it has a little menu bar over here, navigation bar. So we're on the overview one, that's the one that's selected. So as 1,470 employees, these are the active ones, these are inactive, so it's just subtracted to get these numbers. 16.1% attrition rate. So but for the active employees, here's them by departments, so most of them are in technology. And here's a tree map that shows the different job roles in each department. So technology department, sales, and HR. So HR is HR executive, the recruiter, and the business partner and manager. So we can see here like software engineer is a pretty big chunk of the technology. So anyway, in this last chart, vertical bar chart is employee hiring trends. So technology or total employees date, and it's most of them are no, they aren't attrition, so they're not staying. And you could go deeper down, drill down more to this by year. So like quarter, month, and day goes all the way. And then the dates by quarter, the months. Kind of looks ugly doing this way, but that's if you want to get very specific. So let's go to the next page. Go down here, just use this navigation bar. So now we're on the demographics page. And of the employees, so the youngest employee is 18, the oldest is 51. So employees by age, we have these age bins. So most of them are in this bin of 20 to 29 years old, which is pretty like median between 18 and 51. Or not really, it's more skewed on the younger side. By marital status, so most employees are married, or 42%, 37%, and not many are divorced. And employees by age and gender, so we have these bins again, and the y-axis is the percent of employees, and this the different colors are the gender. So we got a good distribution of male to female, and then non-binary and prefer not to say. This is by employees by ethnicity and average salary. So looks like most of the employees are white, and then their average salary is high up. Other doesn't really have that high of average salary. But it looks like Native Hawaiian has the highest 115, 274. Very slightly below, very close to average salary white. So that's what that bar and line chart shows. Now let's do the performance tracker. So here is selection or slicer. We're just choosing, let's look at the data. Where's employee? So year, quarter, month, date. We're in the date table. So it's employee. So there's all these employees, and here's some more stuff about them. there's a lot of metrics in these charts. That's like education level. Okay, it's pretty simple. See the date rating level, satisfied level, fact, this performance table, or fact table, and the rest are the dim tables. What measures do we have? So these are some measures created. Attrition rate, active employees. This calculation is filtered down by employee, and they're not there anymore. Salary is just the average of the salary metric or salary column. So anyway, there's all this stuff. Let's look at how they're related to each other, these tables. So measures by itself. So this fact table, it looks like it's a star chart or snowflake? Star. Or snowflake with the C. So this is like the main table. It has a many to one relationship to all these other tables. And they're connected by like self-rating for the rating ID, satisfaction ID, date, employees for employees, and then this one is education. So let's just go back here. Here's a list of all the employees. You can filter down. So we'll just keep the one before Estelle Chung. This is when she started, when her last review was, her next review. These are just cards that are, show that field. So you can see over time her job satisfaction has gone down. So she started in 2018, so that's when it was its highest, and then her last review, you can see it went down to 3, when it started at 5, stayed the same between 2020 and 21. So they're all just these line charts. And they're kind of consistent, these performance trackers. Here's this table over satisfaction level and rating level, so you could just tell what these, what this 4 means. Okay, 4 means she's satisfied. And rating 4 here, okay, she exceeds expectation. So it's kind of like a legend for these line charts. Now we're going to go to nutrition. And by travel frequency. So there's more attrition with the more travel, and then there's just the total employees. By department job role. So it looks like it's pretty spread out, the sales, HR, and technology being the top 3. By hire date, so you can see 2016 had a lot of attrition, so the 2020. There's not really that, it's pretty standard deviation here, because it's not really anything we could glean from this. Overtime requirements, so yeah, you can see having overtime makes an attrition, tenure, same thing of the less years at the company, the higher attrition, and you have this here. There's barely any attrition for staying at 10 years. So that's Atlas Labs. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I haven't worked on this for a while, so I kind of forgot everything, so I've just been going over it at the same time as me doing this video, just live. So sorry for that.